Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to activate your Venmo credit card online. Start off by opening up a web browser, and in the address bar at the top, go ahead and type in www.venmo.com and search. Make sure you're signed into your Venmo account, and once you're in your home screen, from the left-hand side menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, you'll be able to see your profile displayed on the screen. From your profile page, go to the Change Password link right below and click it on. Now, you'll need to enter your current password that you are using for your account into the first text box. Type it in correct, and then type in the new password that you'd like to change to into the new password text box. Now, retype in the new password that you are trying to change to in the next box, and finally click on Save. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your Venmo account. That way, you can take back full control of your account by simply following this simple process. To activate your Venmo credit card, open up a web browser of your choice. You'll need to first log into your Venmo account in order to do so, so go to the URL box at the top and type in www.venmo.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of Venmo, which looks like this. Go to the upper right hand corner and click on this login link and enter your email address, your mobile number or your username in the first text box. Type in your password on the next field and make sure that your information is correct and matches with the Venmo records. In case you don't remember your credential, click on Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for it. After you are done typing in, click the sign in button. Once you're logged into your Venmo account, click the menu button available at the top left-hand corner. Look for Venmo card option and click it open, and you'll be able to see an activate button. Simply click on activate and follow the on-screen prompts till the end in order to activate your Venmo credit card online. How to log in to Venmo Synchrony credit card account using your desktop. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the search bar, type in Venmo Synchrony credit card login and press enter. You'll end up in this page over here. You'll be able to find the search result based on your search. Click on the first link that says Venmo credit card /Venmo, and on the next page, click on sign in and apply. Go ahead and enter your email address, mobile number, or your username associated with your Venmo account in the first text box. Now, head over to the next field and type in your password correct. In case you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset it. Finally, after typing in your credentials and you're ready to log into your account, click on the sign in button, and that is how you should be able to log in to Venmo Synchrony credit card account. How to log into Venmo credit card. Now let's jump right into the video. Logging into Venmo credit card account is quite easy. Open up a web browser of your choice. Now in the web address bar that pops up at the very top of the screen, type in venmo.com/about/credit card and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in this page over here, which is the official web page of Venmo. Simply go ahead and click on the sign in and apply button in order to log into your credit card account. The Venmo credit card is a Visa branded credit card integrated into the Venmo experience. It allows you to make contactless payments, request new virtual card numbers, earn cashback rewards on your purchases, and so much more. Click on the sign in and apply button and you'll be taken to a new page. Go ahead and enter your email address, your mobile number or your username in the first text box. You can type in any one of them and type in the password on the next field. Let's start by typing in one of these information at the very top. In my case, I'm going to type in my email address. Soon after you do that, go to the next field, type in your password into the text box. Make sure to type in your information correct. In case you don't remember your password, click on this Forgot Password link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts. You can double check your password by clicking on this eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. Finally, click the sign in button in order to log into Venmo credit card account. On how to buy a gift card with Venmo. If you'd like to make a purchase on gift cards with your Venmo account, start by clicking open a web browser. In the search box, type in Buy gift cards with Venmo and make your search. In the search result, you can see that there is a link at the top which will take you to www.egifter.com. Click on that link and you'll be taken to this eGifter website from where you can buy gift cards with Venmo. Since this website supports and accepts Venmo for a gift card, you'll be able to buy gift cards from this website easily. Click on Buy with Venmo in the display at the middle of the screen, and now select your card from the catalog displayed. Click on one of your choice, and now click on this box where it says I understand the above and I'm ready to complete my order. Make sure to go through the information first and click continue. Now select the amount that you'd like to include in your gift card and then click on either buy for myself if you are buying it for yourself. If you want to send it to one of your friends, click on send to a friend. Now if you want to make some edit to your card value, you can go ahead and add or decrease the amount that you've chosen for your card. Choose your card design from the left hand side of the screen. Click on your preference and then go ahead and enter your name into the text box where it says enter your name. Now since I am sending this to one of my friends, let me go ahead and type in the recipient's name. After you're done, you can go ahead and choose your gift delivery method. You can either choose the digital method or a printed method. Let me go ahead and choose digital and select either by email option or by text option. You can also choose both. If you choose the email option, then your recipient will be able to receive the gift card via email. Similarly, you can also send it to them by the text option. To do so, make sure the by text option has been checked. If you've chosen the by text option, you'll need to type in the recipient's mobile number as well. Since I've selected by email option, let me go ahead and enter the recipient's email address. You can do the same as well if you've chosen this option. And once you are done with typing it, all the information's in, you can go ahead and select your e-greeting card. Choose a category from the drop down and then click one of the card of your choice. If you want to give in a personal message to your recipient, type it into the text box. You can also add a video or an image into the text box if you want. Now under schedule when to send your gift, you can choose the date when you want your recipient to receive your card. If you choose instant, you'll be able to make instant delivery to your contact. But if you want to set a preferred date, click on set date and choose the date when you want it to be delivered to your friends or contacts. You can also set the time you want to send the gift exactly on. Preview a gift by clicking on this preview a gift button, and it shows you how the gift will look like if you send it to your friends. They'll be able to receive it just like this. Finally, after you're ready to send the gift card to your friend, click on add to cart, and you can now review your order. If you have any promo code that you'd like to use, enter it right here and click on apply promo code. But if you want to proceed to check out without entering the promo code, or if you don't have a promo code, you can simply click on proceed to check out. Now choose your payment method on the next page. You can choose any options from the display, verify your phone number or follow the on-screen prompts, and that way you'll be able to buy a gift card using Venmo. How to recover your password for Venmo account. While logging into your Venmo account, you'll need to enter your credentials, that is your email address, your mobile number or your username, and then your password in order to proceed further to log into your account. But what would you do in case you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next? In this case, you can easily reset your password. Start by clicking open a web browser and in the address bar at the top type in www.venmo.com and press enter. From the official website of Venmo, click on the login button in the top right corner, which will take you to the login area for Venmo. Enter your email, your phone number or your username in the text box. You can enter any one of the options. And now, when asked for your password, if you remember the password during the process, type it in the text box. But if you don't, no matter how hard you try, you can click on this link right here where it says forgot password. Once you click on that link, on the next page, you'll need to type in your email address again. Once you type in your email address, you can click on the submit button. You can also type in your mobile number that is associated with your account. And once you click on the submit button, you'll need to go check your email, open up a new tab and go to your email inbox. Make sure to open up the same email inbox that is associated with your Venmo account. In your inbox, you should receive an email from Venmo, which looks like this. Click it open and then click on reset password link. Now, on the next page, you can see that there are two text boxes appearing on the display. Create a password that is unique to Venmo. That means you should not use your email password or the password that you previously used with your Venmo account.
make sure to type in a unique password, which will be easier for you to remember next time you log into your account, and then head over to the confirm new password text field and retype in the password again. After you're done typing in your password, click on save password and you have successfully reset your password for your Venmo account. Next time you log into your account, make sure to type in the new password that you just created in order to log into your account smooth. After you're done entering correct credentials, click sign in, and there you have recovered your Venmo account. How to delete your Venmo account. If you no longer want to use Venmo, whether you have security concerns or any other reason, you can easily do it with your mobile or your computer. Now let's proceed further. Click open a web browser and make sure you're logged into your Venmo account. From your home page, go and click on the settings button at the left-hand side menu. Now you'll be taken to your profile page. From this page, at the bottom of the menu, you'll be able to see an option that says close my Venmo account. Click it on, and now it says that before you can close your account, review and download your most recent statement, click on next. You can go ahead and download your CSV file, go through the information once, and after you're done, click on next. On the next page, confirm your deletion by clicking on close account. Wait for a few seconds, and there you have removed or closed your Venmo account with your computer. In the future, if you change your mind and you would like to create a new account on Venmo again and start using it, you'll need to sign up for a brand new account in that case. How to find someone on Venmo. Start by logging into your Venmo account. No doubt, Venmo is a popular mobile payment application used to send money to friends and families. If you want to find someone on Venmo, then you can simply do this by performing a search on Venmo by their name or by their username. From the home page of Venmo, click on the search button from the left-hand side menu. You can either search for people or business. Whatever your selection is, type in the name of the person into the text box. As you search for the person by typing in their name, the search results will be displayed on the screen at the bottom. You can then go ahead and select one of your friends that you would like to add. And now, once you end up in their profile, click on Add Friend. Now, if you'd like to search for someone from their username, simply type in their username into the text box. And from the search results, select the person that you are trying to search for. And that way, you'll also be able to find someone by typing in their username into the text box. To search for a business, go to the Business tab and then type in the name of the business you're looking for. From the search results, select the business that you are looking for and simply go ahead and make your payment if you want to. Now, as soon as you open their profile, you can go ahead and make your payment to the business that you are trying to search for. That is how you can easily search for someone or simply make a search for a business that you would like to connect with on Venmo. How to clear your history on Venmo. Start by clicking open a web browser if you are using a computer. You can also do this on your mobile applications as well. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type in venmo.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're into your Venmo account, remember that you can't delete your Venmo history, but you can hide it by making all past and future activity private. As soon as you open up your Venmo account, go and tap on the settings button from the left-hand side menu of the screen. Now, from the profile page, go to privacy. Under past payments, you can see that there are two buttons available. Under past payments, go and click on change all to private. Confirm your changes by clicking on change to private again in the pop-up and then click on save settings. When you make your past transactions or payments private, only the recipient and senders will be able to view it, effectively hiding it from the rest of your friends. If you also want to make all of your future Venmo activity private, then from the same page, go and click on this private button under default privacy settings. Save your changes by clicking on save settings. You can also change the privacy settings for each payment individually. If you want to save your default privacy settings, click on change anyway. And there you have successfully saved your privacy settings for all future payments as well. How to change your password on Venmo account. If you are worried about someone else knowing your Venmo account's password and you would like to do something about it, then you can easily change your password within the application or your Venmo account. How to log into Venmo account with your desktop. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser first and in the address bar at the top, type in venmo.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Venmo. Go and click on the login button in the top right corner in order to log into an existing account. But if you don't have an account yet, click on Get Venmo. follow the on-screen prompts, and get signed up for Venmo first. Once you have an account, you can easily log in by clicking on this login link and by entering your information into the sign-in area. When it comes to signing into Venmo, you can either enter your email that is associated with your Venmo account, your phone number, or your username. In my case, I entered my email address. Now, head over to the password text box and type in the password that you created during the sign-up process for Venmo. Make sure to type in the correct password every time you log into your account in order to log into your account without any kind of a problem. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on this link right here where it says Forgot Password and follow the instructions if you want to reset to a new password by changing it. If you already know your password, type it in, make sure all the credentials are correct, and click on Sign in order to log into your account. With this simple process, you have been signed into your Venmo account quick and easy. Start by inviting some friends to join in by clicking on this invite button, click on add friends and search the person by their username. You can keep adding more friends by typing their name in the text box and clicking on add friends. But if you'd like to add some people who's not using Venmo yet, click on invite them to join link and type in the email address of the person to whom you'd like to invite on Venmo. After you're done typing in their email, click on the send button and you'll be able to send an invitation to your friends or anyone you'd like to invite to join in Venmo. After you're done searching people by name or username and adding them to your list, click on add friends. And that way, you can easily log into your Venmo account. How to sign up for Venmo. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the search area at the top of the screen, type in venmo.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Venmo. Now, in order to sign up for a new account, you can click on this Get Venmo option at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, it says that you should take a look at their fees, which is displayed at the bottom. You can check the fees for each options that are displayed on the screen. And finally, after you're ready, scroll all the way down and tap next. Now, in the create your account area, you can create an account with your Facebook account or simply type in your information in the boxes in order to sign up. Type in your first name in the first name text box and then type in your last name on the next. After you're done, enter an email address into the email address text box. Make sure to type in an email address you have access to. And now, type in your phone number in the next text box. Once you do that, create a password for your account into the password text field. Make sure to type in a password that is easier for you to remember. Agree to the terms and services of Venmo by clicking on this box right here. Make sure both of the boxes are checked and click sign up. You'll need to now go ahead and confirm your identity. You'll need to enter the code that has been sent to your phone number. And there you'll be able to sign up for Venmo. Go through the information about the privacy setting and click on done. That is how you can easily sign up for Venmo using your desktop. Venmo allows you to pay and request money from your friends. It is pretty much similar to PayPal. You can get paid, make a payment, shop, share, and much more with Venmo. It is also known as the digital wallet that makes money easier for people, from students to small businesses. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.